Magnets are everywhere. They can be permanent magnet or electromagnets. Magnets come in many shapes and sizes, but they also come in different strengths. Two common measures of magnet strength are the strength of magnetic field and pull force. The magnetic field strength is expressed in Gauss or Tesla. 1 Tesla equal to 10,000 Gauss. It depends on the size, shape, grade of the magnet and where the measurement is performed, that is location. We will use magnetometer sensor available in this smartphone. This sensor measures the strength of magnetic field. Science Journal app is used to visualize data captured by the sensor. As we move the bar magnet near the sensor, the strength of magnetic field goes up. It comes back to the original value as I move the bar magnet away. Same is true for other pole as well. Electromagnet also behaves in similar manner. We can see the proportional increase in strength with increase in current. What if you don't have a magnetometer? You can design your own scale with everyday things. That way, you can compare strength of magnetic field quantitatively. I will take this small steel ball and place it at a distance. I will slowly move the magnet towards the ball. The point at which ball is attracted towards the magnet is noted. We can note it down and compare the strength of all the magnets we have. Of course, this is our local scale. Another way is to place a magnet in a bowl filled with steel balls. We can then measure how many balls are attracted. By calculating the average, we can arrive at some number. We can also compare strength of the magnetic field based on how much weight it can lift. In order to decide pull force, let us attach this magnet to a wooden base. This nut with a container is stuck to the magnet. We will put steel balls in this container till it pulls the nut down. This will be one measure of the strength of the magnet in terms of pull force. Same can be tried with the neodymium magnet as well. These are very strong magnets. It seems we need more force to pull the nut down. Let us tie this bottle and increase the force by adding some water. It took 700 ml of water or approximately 7 newtons to bring down the nut. You can try these variations to calculate strength of magnetic field by using different types of magnets as well as the materials. Thank you.